everyone. So, wala tayo kailangan kayo doon sa natas topic before sa wala kailangan ko din doon si Michael Vidal. Yan. Assistant. Kaya partner si Salina. So, wala tayo kaduloy-duloy doon sa natas topic. So, our topic for today is about John Locke, the encouraged educator and power of experience. So, next. So, John Locke. So, isa to this John Locke sa kailan?
Tungkuan.
Sa atong music. Kasi kaya ko background ni
Isang philosopher na natungkol sa identity sa
Dum-dum na ko.
was run into religious sa pagkatao ng pasensya ng Yes.
So, other than that, so si John Locke is a philosopher. So, also a physicist and the father of liberalism. So, si John Locke is a prominent philosopher. So, well-known siya on the 17th century. So, well-known siya because he revolutionized our understanding of education. So, kung sa may diyang i-revolutionize, so he challenged the traditional text-based approach to learning. So, advocating for more experiential and interactive methods. So, mura lagyan ko sa city, more focus on learning to experience rather than the traditional textbooks. So, kumana
Yes.
na effective na nga. So this presentation explores Locke's interest, philosophy, and its implication for education. So, do you believe that experience is the foundation of learning?
Yes.
So, do you believe that through learning, through experience, madala na nato in the future sa nato na learn? So, yes, of course. So, napopoy ka ng philosophy nyo sa una nga sa through experience na bago karon. So, ang philosophy na sa una is anyone can hurt you, doesn't deserve or isn't worth fighting for. So, because of the experience, bago na philosophy sa ako. So, tapos kinuha na ron is anyone can hurt you or will hurt you. But you need to choose if it's worth hurting. So, kana experience, kana nakabago na sa perspective. Through experience, na-learn ako nga, kanang dili sa tanan nagpasakit nimo is dili worth risking. Right? Sino man? Sino ba dyan to? So, mga ladies and gentlemen,
Na yung picture.
ito next pag-gawa. So, para si Jandong, ano? Sa ilong. Si everyone. So, empiricism. So, it's an idea. The word empiricism. In opinion,
Experience.
so raise your right hand and stand. Say discuss.
For example, the liberalism is moral experience or learning because of experiences.
So, sakto. To make it simple, empiricism is all about learning through experience. So, the foundation of Locke's educational philosophy is all about empiricism. So, what are the foundation? So, knowledge is not innate. Locke rejected the idea that knowledge is pre-existing in the mind at birth. He believed that human is a tabula rasa, a blank slate upon which experience. So, it's an idea sa kanina phrase. He believed that the human mind is a tabula rasa, a blank slate. So, it's an idea.
So, nung si Danda, si Jack nag-propose ng tabula rasa, which means a blank state. So kita no, nung bata pa lang ka, nung baby pa ka, yan ako sa tumaw mo sa Kala ko sa tumaw mo nung baby pa ka is blank state daw ka, which is nanginahanglan daw tawag ka namin ang mga learnings, sa atong mga experiences.
So, sakto si Miss Luangas, no? So, tabula rasa or blank slate, simply is the idea of individuals born empty. So, for all perspective and experience, dira ka maka-learn. So, muna ang meaning sa tabula rasa, blank slate. So, John Luke rejected the idea na sa bata pa nanatay init na knowledge nga nakuha sa itong na-acquire. So, buto ba mo anak na kuhaan nga happiness nga ang inborn nga bata nanay ka ng init nga knowledge. Buto ba mo anak?
Wala pa man sila yung
Diba, dili kay stage developing pa na through experience, di na sila maka-learn. So, like for example, ang asin, makabalo ba ang bata na parang na kung dili ni dyan tilawan? Diba, dili. Through experience, makibalo sila na parang na. Diba? So, sensory experience is key. Luke argued that knowledge is acquired through our senses. We learn by observing, interacting with, and reflecting upon the world around us. So, makakagaling ganina na example na dili nakabalaw, ang bata dili kabalo nga parang nakasin dili ilaban. So, through sensory motors like tasting, kana observing, sa may laing mga sensory iba. Here, touching, or any kind of senses. So now let's proceed to active learning. So Luke emphasized the importance of active engagement in the learning process. He believed that learners should be encouraged to explore, experiment, and draw their own conclusions. So mga gagawin sa LCT, no? In order to learn, we need to explore, experience. Although, akadang makita lang nato, in different aspects, effective man sila maka-learn ta. But, dahil lang yun kung ma-experience mo, dahil lang ang ma-learning mo kung experience na. So, next. Ay! Okay. So, ako nga sister. So, si Mr. Kyle will continue the
Good afternoon. Let's continue the discussion. Locke's educational philosophy in action. Concrete experiences. Can you read it, please, Mr. Bukod?
Concrete experiences, Locke advocated for learning through concrete experiences rather than abstract concepts. He believed that students should be exposed to real-world situations and encouraged to apply their knowledge in practical settings.
Okay. Can you please elaborate, Mr. Panyamugan, as Mr. Bukod have read? So, I believe that in Bokos 1, students should expose to the real world so that they can understand and experience the surroundings, the taste, the feeling, the love. Kung ma-feel mo sa kalibutan, kung sa mga yung ma-feel mo kasi kita. Okay. Concrete experiences. Locke advocate for learning through concrete experiences. So, si John Locke nag-support siya ng learning through concrete experiences based sa ito mga experience sa ato life rather than abstract concepts. So, rather daw sa abstract concepts or ato na gain knowledge siya sa through abstract learning. He believed that students should be exposed to real world situations to apply their knowledge in practical settings. So, si John Locke nag-believe that ang mga estudyante dapat may expose sila sa mga mahitabo sa kalimutan, real world. And i-apply nila ang ilang knowledge na nag-gain sa practical settings. Next, comparison and reflection. Can you please read this first part?
Comparison and reflection. Locke stressed the importance of comparing and reflecting learning experiences by analyzing different information and drawing connections. Learners can develop a deeper understanding of the world.
Can you please elaborate on that?
According to Locke is that she stressed the importance of comparing and reflecting an experience. Kaya through experience, makareflect ka sa atong self kung unsa ang nahingabo or like through sa experience, makareflect ka kung nakamit ba ta o mistake then makagain sa knowledge sa na ma-apply sa nato si Jack at in the long run sa atong with this.
Okay, so anyone who have different point of view, idea? One. Okay, next is practical engagement. Locke believed that education should be practical and relevant to the lives of learners. He advocated for teaching skills that would be useful in everyday life. So, please elaborate, Ms. Nobimi.
Okay. Locke believed that education should be practical and relevant to the lives of learners. So, yun nila ka. Dapat daw, kung sa dapat daw rin na ang kibali, ato daw kung mag-teach ka, dapat daw murayin sa kinabuhi sa itong mga estudyante. And dapat daw, ang ato daw i-teach ka na magamit na ito sa atong adlaw-adlaw na kinabuhi ito. Pero practical ba? Ikaw, practical na sa mga balungan. Galis na palitun, kaya na maumod sa kuan, maumod sa problema sa kanang practical practical engagement for practicing.
Implications for modern education. Active learning methods. Locke's philosophy has influenced modern educational practices, such as project-based learning, inquiry-based learning, and experiential education. So, anyone have an idea on this project-based learning? Is Trongas? Anyone have a lot of ideas?
So, paano po so di ba, ang philosophy nila nag-influence siya sa modern, augmented modern, isa parang di ba nowadays, ang ginagamit na to, di ba, ano kina-inquire ka rin sa project-based learning, or for example, di ba yung mga hands-on learning that requires the essential needs of the students.
So, anyone, inquiry-based learning. Miss Stella. Miss
Inquiry-based learning, ano na siya ang interaction between the educators and the students. Para yung, as educator, kailangan nyo collaborate sa inyong mga students for them na makasabot the exchange of kung ano ba ideas.
And lastly is the experiential education. Please elaborate this about experiential
Experience.
Sa ako ng pagsabot is ang experiential education is about nila sa imong na-experience kung unsay mga lesson na imong nakuan sa imong experience.
Okay, good. Next is focus on real-world applications. Educators are increasingly emphasizing the importance of connecting learning to real-world problems and applications. So, ang mga educators, ang mga educators are emphasizing the importance of connecting learning to real-world problem and applications. So, ang educators is emphasize nila ang importansya ng pag-connect ng learning sa real world, sa real life problems and applications. Next is student-centered learning. And kindly please read Miss Marites. Student-centered learning.
Student-centered learning. Locus emphasizes on active learning, and student agencies has contributed to the shift towards student-centered learning environments.
Okay.
Okay, next. Next one. So, do you believe na maka-learn ka to see is out sa approach na to see is to believe?
Yes.
Ano ba?
Not all the time, for example, in naka-curiosity, sa isa ka butang, dili pa sa buta, imura na siya tawon. So, iba rin naman tayo curiosity, gusto niyo mo nila what it explore. To explore ni mo or something na experience.
Other idea?
Yun, ikaw makayon nga. Like now, share ka sa experience. Share na sa about reasons and kung mga experience mga ano mo ko, anak pa yung take to believe man. Hindi mo na maka-invalidate sa opinion to say dyan yung naranasan kayo. Wala na sa dyan sitwasyon.
So, tama. So, in other aspects, to see is to believe is applicable, but not all the time. Kaya na ay before ka ma-learn. Like for example, kanang libat ang tao. Diba? For example, mag-judge kang tao. I-judge mo, tapos ang imong aspects na ginamit is to see is to believe. Okay ba ba? Dahil ka mainanat sa mga pagkatao. Diba? Dili.
Wala din try.
Diba? Dili. So, for example, mag-share ka sa akong experience. So, sa kanang nakoy di tumayaban kita. So, ang giingon sa uban is kanang not sure na sila, malita. So, kanang bitaw sa tununan na sila, tapos kanang lisod sa tuloy na batasan. But, kanang kung sa aming sitwasyon, mutok ba mo nga through mamati ng soban, mutok ba mo nga dili. Or through tanawon rin mo sila, mutok ba kami natin sila. So, ang nakita ko is, gitrial ako sa version. So, through experience, na-learn ako nga, ay dili days din na kanang dili days ba, na ay kanang ako nga masabot nila. Kay, di ba, not all the time nga, kanang, sa pang-istorya sa laing tao, mas tinukog, kay, isang galing kita sa atong galing, mata kaila sa atong, kaila sa atong, so ako pong i-challenge akong ikaw galing nga, try ang kakakong i-pursue sila. So, through that, na-realize na mga, ay, kung ano sila, very and sweet. So, through experience na, learn ako sila. So, work it tungkol nga ni so na po yung example diri is
Hindi na ako makakala. Hindi yung kala siya, hindi ko na ako. Wala ka pa. Pabalik ko, hindi ko sa Hindi na, ngayon magod ka nga. Nabatayan mo si, kibalik ka to na girl. Nabatayan mo nga siya tungod sa ibang tao. So kibalik ka, mura na challenge ka, nga mura gikurso nyo na tungod na narason or dapat sa bilis.
hindi na pan naging ipagama
Okay, bakit? Listen mo na mo yun. Ano mo yung nakatungod ko eh. Gusto lang na yung
mura naka-encourage na to ako kay siyempre ang isa ko na tao need mo kung ngayon sa media hindi kayo mga i-judge lang si Davidin so gusto lang ko na appeal ko din dyan na naayag sa media
bakit hindi mo sagot mo na
pero so, nakagaya sa pag-release, the idea behind the apple. So, kung mag-base na sa aspect na to, see is to believe. So, kung sa'yo makita sa mata, mo ko yung project sa idea. So, kung ingon tag ang apple is red, project dire, the apple is red. Mo anak tag dire, the apple is right. Mo pa dire, the apple is right. The apple is big, round, the apple is big and round. But, naay aspects dira nga dili ka maka-learn kung dili nimo i-try. So, for example, sa taste. So, sa taste, ma-learn ba nimo nga ang apple is sweet kung dili nimo i-try? So, through other senses, dili lang sa kasi is to believe, ma-learn nimo ang isang butang. But, naay other aspects which is one, experiential. Inquiry, tapos, practice. So, next. Nasabot na ba?
Yes.
So, the conclusion. So, John Locke's empirist philosophy. So, before tayo proceed, so, bukan give me the meaning of empirist na ay plus points sa essay. Nakatako na biya nato kanina which is the empiricist. Plus points ako ang essay.
Is that learning through experience?
Okay, sure.
Empiricism is about adapting the learning through experience.
Oh, sakto si ate. So, simply, empiricist is learning or acquiring knowledge through experience. So, mo na ang kanang philosophical, educational philosophy ng John Locke. So, kasabot na ba sa kanang philosophy ni John Locke about sa education? Okay. Ang baning isipin. So, this emphasis on experience, active learning, and practical engagement continues to shape educational practices today, di ba? Kay kung sa una, igo rata ka nang gitawag ng spoon feeding na. So, tungod kang John Locke na philosophy, ang educational system karon is lahina, which is true. Ang pag-teach karon is true, active learning, and practical engagement. So by embracing Locke's ideas, we can create learning environments that foster critical thinking, problem solving, and a deep understanding of the world. So, sabot ba? Sabot, sure. Mga kota na. Oo, bigyan ko na. So, mga kota na. Proceed. So, assignment na kami kay video. Ay, dili, magpa-quiz ko karon. Kana mga crosswise, at least 3 sentences. So, how did Locke impress you? How you influence the next approach of teaching? So, bago pagaling na ako na. So, hindi na.